Welcome back to our video production series. Today, we'll show you how to adjust the frame border color in FlexClip. Go to the Elements tab on the sidebar and find the frame category. Click See All to explore a variety of frame styles. Drag and drop a frame onto the image layer to apply it. Once added, you'll see a color icon in the top left corner of the canvas. Please note that not all frames support color customization. Click the color option and choose your preferred color. You can also click the plus icon to open the color panel for more options. Or use the color picker to pick any color directly from your screen. Some frames even let you adjust multiple colors. That's all for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more tips in our video production series.